We can download and save a map of a specific area, which we can then use when our device is not connected to the internet. Even when we don't have access to Wi-Fi or cellular service, this makes it possible to get turn-by-turn directions, see an estimated time of arrival, and view information like hours and ratings for locations. We can do this on either iPhone or iPad. For this example, I'll use my iPhone. Let's bring the Sawtooth Range up on the map again. This will include the town of Stanley, Idaho, and much of the surrounding area. Cellular data connections are few and far between other than in town, so downloading this area of the map can be really helpful for both driving and hiking in the area. To do so, tap and hold on the map to place a pin. In the panel that slides up, we have a download button. Tap, and we can now set the area of the map to download. We can tap and drag to move the map. Use pinch to zoom gestures, and use the handles on these edges to adjust the area that will be downloaded. Below, we can see how much storage space the downloaded map area will use. Tap to begin the download. From this panel, we can decide whether to allow these downloads to occur on both Wi-Fi and cellular connections or only on Wi-Fi. Below, we can turn off automatic updates to the downloaded map area or activate optimized storage. If your iPhone is running low on storage space, this could remove the downloaded map without your knowledge, so be careful with that. Once the download is complete, we can give the downloaded map a custom name or delete it. We can also remove the pin that was dropped here. We don't need to do anything else with the download. When viewing that area of the map, it will be available to use whether the iPhone has a data connection or not. To manage map downloads, tap your picture or initial next to the search field here. In the panel, we can view all of our offline maps that have been downloaded. From here, we can tap on a downloaded map to rename or delete it. And we have the same options as before in this panel, including only use offline maps. When this is on, just the map areas that have been downloaded will be usable in the Maps app. Notice that the downloaded map is marked. The rest of the map is visible, but as we zoom in, details don't fill in as you would expect. Zoom in too far and the map doesn't load. This setting can be useful when you know you're in an area with no or very little cellular signal. Only using offline maps will prevent the iPhone from trying to download other areas of the map, which can waste battery life. Turn this off and the map loads as expected again.